Once you start some things you just can't stop, and drugs are like that too. You pick it up and it's hard to drop, and drugs are like that too. Like a baby going through a phase, and like a player playing in a daze. Yeah, yeah, you break a rule and you have to pay. It may not hurt, but then again it may. Drugs are like that too, you know. Drugs are like that too, I know, no. Drugs are like that, I know, no. Drugs are like that.
How come you know so much? About what? About drugs and stuff.
Hello, Ryan. We've been waiting for you. We're happy you made it. Planet Blue. On this planet, you can see far to wide. Here to there. Great to ride. We want to show you how to have fun. We want to show you how to run.
But what are we doing? And where are we going?